Alright guys, so we're showing how to change out your hood struts on your W164 ML or GL, or I believe the R class is all the same, but pretty straightforward process, but over time these things can kind of start to fail, and this hood has almost closed me a few times while I've been working on it, so that's no good. Got to change them out. Keep in mind there are different parts for left and right, so do keep that in mind when you're going to be replacing them. I just bought both because I figured it's time, and they've been both failing slowly, so yeah. On each strut, so top and bottom, there are these little metal clips that kind of keep the end of the strut in place on the actual hood itself and also on the car body. So you can remove these little clips by just using a pick tool, such as this one over here, and just stick it in the groove and it'll slowly make its way out. Be sure not to let it pop in your face, as it's kind of spring-loaded, so do keep that in mind. Right, so once this clip is off, this actually can come right out, but we're not going to take it out because if we take it out, the hood's going to fall. So let's leave it in place for now. Actually, it's a good time to put something like a pole, like that jack pole right there, in place, just to keep the hood in place and not fall on us. And then we can do the same by removing the clip for the bottom, and then just take the entire strut out, and then we can put the new one in. So I've got one off. As you can see, there's the old one over there next to the new one. Also good time to change out, or clean up rather, those ball joints on the actual hood itself. Funnily enough, this hood strut looks a bit longer than the previous one, so I'm going to be, well, this is the same length actually, but the plastic part is longer, so I'm curious if that's going to affect anything. But yeah, I just have the hood resting closed because only one cannot support it, but this is what I'm talking about over here. See grinding greasy those things are. Yeah, good time to clean those for sure. One thing to know, for the passenger side or the right side, like I said earlier, there are different part numbers. This piece actually can come out of its little shell over here, so just keep that in mind. It's not a huge deal. Just make sure you get the right one on the right side, as the left side does not do that. So it's a different part for sure. It mimics what I currently have on the car, which is correct. When reinstalling them, be sure to undo this clip. You don't have to take it off all the way. Just slide it up a little bit so it's not fully clipped in. And you can go ahead and put the snap into place, and then snap the clips back into place just like you would when you took them out. Funnily enough, the new left side one can actually almost hold the entire hood by itself. We have the older one on the bottom for the right side, and the new one on the top. Kind of same thing going on. We got the longer plastic collar on the new one, so maybe it's better for support. I'm not quite sure, but either way, I'm putting this one in the car now. This is what I mean about having the little collars, aluminum collars, out of place and kind of partially unclipped, not fully unclipped, to put the new ones in the car. But yeah, you can put these back in the car as you took the old one out, and then just snap those collars back into place, and then it should be all set. And there we go, good as new. The hood wants to stay up, which is just what we wanted. So as you can see, we've got new clips in place, all flush like I mentioned earlier. And this strut has the same function as the old hood struts, which you can press a button over here, raise the hood a little bit higher, like all Mercedes, get a full 90-degree angle, and the hood will go straight up, just so you can work on it much easier, which is a great feature, I think. I wish BMWs had that, because the hood of BMW is a little bit more than Mercedes, but yeah, new hood struts in. This will no longer fall on my head as I'm changing the oil. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope it helped you out. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll put the part numbers in the description. If you guys like this kind of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah,